So we will start today vector form of universal law of gravitation. What is that? Vector form of universal law of gravitation. Vector form of universal law of gravitation. Okay. So before going forward, let's meet Tingu and Tomu. Okay. Right. So see here. This is Tingu. Okay. And here this is Tomu. Okay. Right. And now Tingu is trying to pull Tomu in this direction. Okay. And Tomu is trying to pull Tingu in this direction. Okay. Who is pulling in which direction? Yes. Understood. Who is pulling in which
Yes,
direction?
sir.
Tingu is pulling this side. Tomu is pulling this side. Then who will pull whom? Can you guess? Yes. Who will pull whom?
Tingu, sir.
Huh? Don't know.
Both of
Huh?
Both
Sir,
of
there
them.
will be a trust, sir, because their forces are equal.
Why? Who told you forces are equal?
Sir, they
based on
both
the
are pulling at opposite directions, so their power will be same. They will not move, sir.
Okay, they will not move. Okay.
one person.
Okay. Okay. Nice, sir. Tomu is having curly hairs now, so he will have more power. So Tingu will go in this direction. No, sir. Tomu is
But
very
Tingu
thin,
has
but
Gundu, sir. He's more powerful.
so Tingu is thin, sir. But these type of people will have more power, sir. So Tingu will pull Tomu. Yes.
Tingu has long legs,
The
sir.
one who will have curly hair, they
The
will
Tingu has
support.
bald hair, sir.
Tingu has long legs also, sir.
Long legs. So those who are having long legs, they will support Tingu. Those who are having curly hairs, they will support Tomu, but not like that. Okay,
But
listen.
both are brothers.
So now, see, as this is force of attraction, है ना? Newton's law of gravitation means what? There is always force of attraction between any two bodies. So that's why any one body will try to pull another body towards it. Yes or not? है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
what is the direction of that force? And vector means definitely it represents direction. Yes, no? Scalar means what? The quantities which have only magnitude. For example, time, mass, है ना, length.
Yes, sir.
You keep that watch in east direction or west direction or north direction or south direction. It will show the same time. It won't affect with direction. That is what scalar.
Sir.
But you see, velocity is a vector quantity. It has one specific direction. Yes, it is depend on direction. Understood? For example, again, acceleration. This is also vector quantity because it is also depend on direction. So this vector form of universal law of gravitation is nothing but about the directions, we can say. About the directions of force exerted by Tingu on Tomu or Tomu on Tingu, and how the unit vectors direction between these two. So let's come back to our concept, and now this Tingu and Tomu will go their home. Okay, right. Now see, now I am taking two objects. So see here, this is object 1, this is object B or 2, we can say. So shall I change color? Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, right. Now this is suppose object A, and this is what, object B. This is object A and this is object B. And now the distance between these two is what? Let us suppose R. What is the distance between these two?
X,
R.
sir.
Yes. Yes, what did you say? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this object is having mass m1, this object is having mass m2. Okay. Now see,
Okay, sir.
if I am giving this object number 1 and this object as a object number 2, then see here, the force exerted by 1 on 2 is in which direction, re? Bolo bolo, in this direction, hai ki nahi? Towards
sir.
this. Whereas you see the force exerted by 2 on 1 is in which direction? This direction. It will try to pull towards one another, है कि नहीं? जैसे कि अब देखो, this is what F12 bar, and this is what F21 bar, है कि नहीं? So this is what
Yes,
force
sir.
exerted by body 1 on 2. This is on 2 due to 1, है कि नहीं? मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. And this is R12 cap, this one R12 cap unit vector, and this is R21 cap, this is also unit vector. Now see what I am writing. Let R12 cap is unit vector from A to B, and R21 cap is unit vector from B to A. Do you know unit vector? Do you know unit vector?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unit vector means the vector whose magnitude is unity and it always represents direction. Okay. Next one you see F12 bar. F12 bar. What is this F12 bar? Gravitational force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force exerted by or on body A. I am writing gravitational force exerted on body A, on body A by body B. That's why see this towards B जा रहा है ना, किसकी वजह से? B की वजह से, है ना? So this is what gravitational force exerted on body A by body B. Similarly, who will tell me now? F21 bar. Tell me fast. F21 bar is what? Yes. Bolo.
The exerted force by body B on by body A.
हाँ. Gravitational force exerted on body B
By
by
body A.
body A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, can I write like this? From Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. ये क्या है एनालॉजी? What is analogy?
Newton's law.
हाँ. So see, F12 bar is equal to what I am writing. Listen. F12 bar is equal to G M1 M2 divided by R square, है ना, into R1 2 cap. R1 2 cap. कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
Clear है? Understand? Yes.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Because same direction already I have shown. Now see, from diagram, can I write like this? R12 cap is equal to minus of R21 cap. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can I write like this? F12 bar is equal to G M1 M2 by R square into minus of R21 cap. And that's why G here I am keeping minus gm1 m2 by r square into r2 1 cap. Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why minus sign? What this minus sign indicates? Negative sign indicates gravitational force, indicates which force? Bolo. Gravitational force is attractive in nature. Yes, सही है.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Please ask. Now only. Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Any doubt you can ask. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So 1 minute.
Yes. Write down. Yes, finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next page.
Sir,
Now.
sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, continue.
Yes, finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Finish, sir.
Right. Now, from diagram or similarly, see now. Can I write like this? Similarly, F21 bar is equal to G M1 M2. ध्यान से देखो मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं, G M1 M2 by R square into R21 cap. कोई डाउट? Yes. Again, can I write
No,
like
sir.
this? F21 bar is equal to G m1 m2 by r square into minus of r12 cap.
Yes, sir.
And therefore I am writing f21 bar is equal to minus of g m1 m2 divided by r square into r12 cap. देखो r21 लेना है, f21 r12 minus sign, f21 r21 plus sign. Understand? Same direction. If you will see here, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, f12 r12. See here, f12 bar r12 cap. Same direction, that's why no negative sign. Yes or no? ఇక్కడ
Yes,
చూడండి, f12 bar is equal to, here what is cap vector, which vector you are taking, r21. R21 means in this direction, that's why minus sign. Understand? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Similarly here also f21 bar is equal to minus gm1 gm2 by r square r12 cap. 21 12 minus 21 21 plus, है कि नहीं? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now see, एक common formula लिखता हूं from diagram magnitude of r is equal to magnitude of r12 is equal to magnitude of r21. सही है ना? देखो डायग्राम में, this r12 r21 and this r all are same ना? सही है नहीं
Yes,
है?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I write like this? See what I am writing. ध्यान से सुनो what I am writing. See, I am writing like this. If I want to write f21 bar, listen, this is note point, very, very important. f21 bar is equal to g m1 m2 by this formula I am writing, magnitude of r21 whole square into r21 cap. Agree? Agree or not?
Yes,
Bolo.
sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
it is only, can I write like this? See what I am doing. Even the same thing I can write like this also. How that is? I can write same thing. f21 bar is equal to g m1 m2, and here what a minus sign if it is coming, what I should take here, r12 cap. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One more time. Okay, one more time. Listen. Or f21 bar, यहाँ पे देखो ये फॉर्मूला है ना, ये फॉर्मूला सी आर, f21 bar is equal to minus gm1 m2 by, at the place of this r square, what I am doing, just as here we have r12 cap, because minus sign taken r12 cap, this is what magnitude of again r12 whole square. Can I write? Yes, no, r12 is equal to r21. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, यहाँ पे देखो, now see, f12 bar is equal to g m1 m2 into what, r12 cap. सही है ना? Plus sign r12 plus 12 plus a divided by, here what I should write, bolo r1
1 2, sir.
square.
Square.
Or can I write now like this? See, same vector f12 bar is equal to minus gm1 m2 into what I should write? Bolo. What I should write? Minus sign.
R21 cap.
R21 cap.
R21 cap divided by here also magnitude of R21 whole square, because this is just R square now. Where R square is there, either I can substitute this or this. Just we have to keep it in mind this 1 2 1 2 plus 1 2 1 2 plus. This is what R square. Either you write R square or anything you write, no issue, because both magnitude are
Yes,
same.
sir.
Just keep it in mind 1 2 1 2 plus 1 2 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1 plus 2 1 1 2 minus. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Is that clear? Any doubt? Please ask. So this is what your box.
Clear, sir.
You can represent like this.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Here, eh?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Finish writing, write down, note it carefully. Any doubt you can ask still. Anyone is having confusion, you can ask. Any doubt?
No,
Sir, this one and
No,
this
sir.
one are same, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, left side and right side are same, sir.
This and this same only. See what I did. Same force is there na. F21 bar. I can represent like this also, or I can represent with this vector with minus sign. This is unit vector na. You see here 21 is there, 21 cap plus sign. Here F21, but here vector unit vector which I have taken 1 2 cap, which is opposite to this vector. If you will see in the diagram, listen, R12 is this side, R21 is this side. Yes or no? This
Yes.
is R12 and this is R21. है कि नहीं? देखो. This is R12 cap and this is what? R21 cap. Both are opposite na. That's why R12 cap is equal to minus of R21 cap. Direction is opposite, no. Magnitude is same.
Okay, sir.
जैसे कि
Understood,
if
sir.
R12 is equal to 5 meter, then R21 is equal to minus 5 meter. Understand? Direction is different, but magnitude
Yes.
is 5 only na. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt, please ask. Yes. Please ask your doubts.
No doubts.
Okay.